Want simple, time-tested ways to profit from short-term trades? Here are 3 classics. Number 1. Breakout trades. When price breaks above resistance with high volume, ride the wave. Number 2. Pullback trades. Wait for the stock to dip to support, then enter as it bounces back. Number 3. Moving average crossover. When the short-term MA crosses above the long-term, it signals momentum. These are used by traders worldwide. Simple, proven, and effective. Remember, risk small, trade smart, and let discipline do the work.